Hey everybody, happy Friday.
Yay, I love Fridays.
I love Fridays.
It's a great day here.
Yeah.
At Science-Based Wellness.
Yep, I'm
with,
Crystal and Lisa.
Lisa.
Yep.
Yeah.
And we're coming to you with some more good information.
Yeah, we just love to throw it out there at you. But I just finished actually a great thing, and it's called our Core Restore Detox.
Yep.
Yeah.
7 days.
7 days of fun.
Okay, detox and fun, do they go?
No, it's not a fun thing. I want to reiterate that the Core Restore Detox that we have in the office now, we had a huge seminar on it a few weeks ago, and we learned so much that it just jump-started my life into wanting to get healthy again. So that's what we did. So it's 7 days, and we want to make sure you know that a cleanse and a detox are two different things.
They are. They absolutely are.
Whenever we say you need to detox, people are like, oh, I can't be in the bathroom all day. That's not what it's about. It's not about elimination. It's about removing the toxic burdens that we all have in our bodies from the day we're born.
Can I read you a couple things that we learned?
I guess you're going to read to me.
Okay. All right. So there are 126 chemical ingredients that an average woman is exposed to daily through just our skincare products.
Yeah, and hair products as well.
Okay. 14 pounds of pesticides, herbicides, food additives, and preservatives the average person is exposed to each year. 14 pounds. Think of how many 14 pounds would be. Yes, it'd be big.
Lots.
7 million people a year die prematurely from illnesses related to air pollution exposure. And then 26 seconds is the time it takes for chemicals in a typical household product to enter your bloodstream. Yeah. So think about that.
That was what I thought about.
That is so scary to me, and we just need to be educated and know this so we can help prevent a lot of problems down the road.
So people don't realize when you're fatigued and you're feeling cruddy all over, and the doctor gives you no help but saying, just, maybe you have fibromyalgia, or maybe you have something else going on, stress, just deal with it, here's a pill. No. So what we want to tell you is there's a great way to get rid of all these toxins, and it takes 7 days. 7 days of pure 7 days, let me tell you. But it comes with, it's a great little box. It comes with your shake. You take it 2 times a day. Now it's 2 scoops in the morning and 2 scoops at night. You can be like Lisa and say, oh man, I can't make it with no food for 2 days. So I did 4 scoops, 4 shakes a day. It comes in vanilla or chocolate. The vanilla is amazing. Chocolate tastes good too. But vanilla is good because when you start adding food to it, you can actually add your fruit to it and things like that. It's a shake. It comes with a handy dandy little mixer.
That is the cutest thing ever.
I know, cool.
It has little attachments.
So you heard me in the office the other day just whipping away, and you can just make your shake wherever you are if you want. Or you can take it pre-done and have them at work. Or it's easy. And then you start these supplements. You go off all supplements and keep your meds that you're prescribed. We don't want you to take those off. But any other supplements you take, you're going to stop taking them while you take these supplements with it. This is going to clean out your liver extremely well, all of the toxins in your body. So by the 3rd day, when you're really, really hungry and you've lost about 4 pounds, by the 3rd day, you will go on and you'll add some food. And the greatest thing, I've never seen a detox kit like this, and this is why we love this one so much, is that it comes with a whole booklet to get you through.
Recipes, and they're easy.
A detox prep.
Believe me, they're easy.
Yeah, you get a prep checklist, so it tells you what to avoid, like processed foods. You drink only, purified water. It gives you fresh herbs for seasoning and spicing the foods that you're allowed. It gives you full-blown pages of foods to increase during your detoxification and foods to decrease, such as you're going to increase fruits and veggies, your grains, decreasing, you're taking away some of the dairy. I'm sorry to say this, but coffee. like coffee is the first thing that hits your liver, and
Coffee and alcohol.
alcohol. So you have to plan your detox accordingly to your party planning.
And you can do it. It's just 7 days, and you just reset your whole body. And we have had some patients who have tried it, and here are some of the feedback.
Yeah, so some of the things we've heard is that, for one thing, your breath gets kind of smelly, so choose some sugarless gum. Your taste buds improve by the 3rd or 4th day. That's another great thing. You will lose weight no matter what, because you're only eating the proper things. I had somebody tell me that they took an Epsom salt bath and their water turns black. That's another thing. It's coming out every which way.
It's got to come out. It's coming
got
out.
to come out.
Every place that can come out.
Yes. So, I mean, this is, honest to goodness, pure detoxification.
Yes.
And we want everyone to know it's a great thing to do. I've got like some more literature on it, and it comes with all your instructions, so complete. But, you know, your internal toxins are bacterial yeast, undigested food. Yeah, we all have that. Can you imagine? It's just laying around in your gut.
Yeah, it's sitting in there.
Your stress comes from this. Your unresolved trauma or abuse. All of these things, unhappy relationships, add to all of the toxic burdens that you carry within yourself. So just by doing these lifestyle changes and having a detox, you can reset your body, and then you can start over on your supplementations if you take some, and you'll feel 1,000 times better. I can guarantee it. It's something everyone should do, and I'm going to do it again in about 6 months, because all my life I was in the beauty industry and hair and chemicals and things that just don't leave your body easily. And I've rearranged my skincare to be non-toxic, and that's why we made our sunscreen with no chemicals. There's so much that we breathe in this air. Why burden our bodies by putting more of those things inside our body and on top of it than we have to? So.
And what I love about it is that I'm kind of lazy when it comes to, I need someone to hold my hand, or I need to have everything I need right here. And I don't have to go shopping.
Yeah,
I have everything. I have my instructions. I have what to avoid.
And if you do it with a buddy, have like a friend that you do it with, or your spouse, or
that'll be easier.
Your mate. You can have a fun detox time.
Yep. But only 7 days. You can do it.
And it's pretty reasonable. So if you would like to take advantage of it, just give our office a call, or it's on our website. I think it's in our store.
It is sciencewellness.net.
And we put it on our website, our Facebook page too.
Yes.
But we all are encouraging you with our staff to do this program.
Right.
It's good for you.
Right.
So.
And you don't have to be near a restroom when you do it.
No, it's not a cleanse.
Not a cleanse.
Not a cleanse. But and short of that, we're also going to be doing a detox night at Nona Blue July 22nd.
Yes.
And we're going to be making the shakes and having some fun.
Shaking it up.
Shaking it up. They're great tasting, actually.
There's chocolate and vanilla, right?
Yep. So, So we're going to do all those in a month or so. If anybody wants to sign up, that'll be on Eventbrite too.
Right. And just follow us on Facebook and Instagram, and we will get you all that you need to know.
Yeah, everyone should detox. So aside from that, also, it's National Flip-Flop Day, so I suggest when we leave this office, we put on our flip-flops and hit the beach.
Did you see how beautiful it is outside?
Don't even talk about it. Don't talk about it at all.
All right.
So I'm stuck here right now.
It's okay.
I love being stuck, though. So happy Friday, and peace out, and get some detox.
Have a great weekend.
Yeah.
Bye.